Hey YouTube, GenesisDX here, bringing you guys a tutorial on how to install a MyBB forum. It's fairly simple, but I'm just going to go through it so people can just understand it a little bit better. So first thing is, we're going to want to get a host. I am going to use 000 web host in this video just because it's free and it's easy to use. There are lots of hosts, different hosts to choose from, but I'm just going to use this one just because it's free and it's easy to use. So go to 000 web host, link will be in description, and register for an account if you don't already have one. So once you've registered, you're going to want to, you'll be put to a page kind of like this. You're going to want to click create new, and here is where you can create your new subdomain. So I already have one pre-made for this video. So once you've created your subdomain, you're going to want to log into that domain's control panel, and it looks something like this. First thing is that we're going to want to get our FTP information, so go to Files, View FTP Details, and here is all of our FTP information, which we would enter into FileZilla or Smart FTP. I'm using FileZilla in this case just because I like it a whole lot better. So enter in your FTP information into 000 web host. I already have this done, and you will be put to a page that looks like this. You'll see public HTML, FTP quota, and do not upload here. Inside of public HTML, you should have nothing inside of here. If there is, you can delete it. But now we're going to want to create our MySQL database. So we're going to want to go back to the control panel, scroll down to Software Services, MySQL, and here we can create our database. So database name, I'm just going to name it test. Database username, I'll just name it admin1, and our password. And create database. And as you can see, our database has been successfully made. So now this is where we're going to want to have to download the actual MyBB forum software itself. So we're going to want to go to mybb.com. The link will also be in the description, and just click download now. MyBB, and download it. Now once that's downloaded, you're going to want to open it up, and whatever you have, 7-zip, WinRAR, I use WinRAR, and you're going to want to go to upload, and all these files here, this is what you're going to want to put inside of your public HTML. So back again, you should have nothing inside of your public HTML. Go back to your MyBB file folder and copy all of these files here, and then just drag them inside of your public HTML. Now this is going to take roughly about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your internet speed, so I'm going to pause the video and come back once all of this has been uploaded. Okay guys, I'm back, and the MyBB forum software has been successfully installed inside of my public HTML. So once that's done, it will say directory listing successful, so that's when you know it's completely uploaded and everything's done. You're going to want to go to your domain now. So type in your domain in your web browser and do /install. And this will bring you to your MyBB installation wizard, and we're going to go through this step by step. So you don't have to check mark this. It's just like applications and MyBB group. It just sends you some stuff. You don't have to check it, but yeah, I'm just going to leave it unchecked. So next, license agreement. You can read this if you want. Next. You can just skip through. Okay. Now, this is, I wouldn't say this is a hard part, but this is definitely a more challenging part to some people. So this is where we have to create our database configuration inside of the forum software. So back in your control panel, go back to your MySQL, and it will show the list of your database that you just created earlier. So where it says database server host name, you're going to want to click where it says MySQL host. Just copy that, put that where it says localhost. Database, copy that, and put that where it says database name. Go back where it says database user. Copy that. Put that where it says database username and enter in the password you gave earlier. And click next. Now this is creating all the tables. See, everything's done. Next. Table population. Next. Theme insertion. Next. Board configuration. Now, right here, where it says form name, this is kind of like your board name. So as you can see right here, it says MyBB installation was right there. That's what it's going to say in your form. So you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it test forum. And you don't need to do anything else here, except you can change your email if you want. But where it says website URL, you're just going to want to copy this right here and put it right in front of that backslash. You can leave anything else, you can leave everything else. And then just click next. And here's where you want to create your administrator account. So I'm just going to name it just admin, password. And your email address. And click next. Now the installation process has been finished, but here's a little trick that you can do. Go back to your FileZilla. Go back into FileZilla. And right here where it says the install folder, you can either delete it or you can do this. You can right click it. You can create a new directory, or you can just name it lock. And as you can see, when you go back into your install panel, it says that it is locked. Now you can remove the lock later if you want to do anything else with it. But now you can go to your domain, and as you can see, the MyBB has been successfully installed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This video helped you out. Please subscribe, like, comment. So thank you guys so much for watching, and check out more videos on my channel. Peace.